we go. Look at that beautiful giant 8.03 inch display. And there is my Honor Magic V3.
One-eyed tech guy, here we go. Life in monotech in focus show.
Alright, so X Fold 3 Pro. Oh, look at that. Opens right up. IMEI information on the bottom here. Put that aside. Little slip cover kind of thing. Gigantic 120 watt charger. There's your information if you'd like to pause and read. But it does work from 100 to 240 volt, so it will work in the US. Here is your charging cable. You got Type C here, and if I can get this slide, Type C. So Type C on both ends. You can see there. Another box here. This looks like some fun stuff. Empty inside. So we've got paperwork. Looks like telling you how to charge it, how to get the SIM ejection tray. This is your warranty card. Let's pop that off there. You can take a look at that. Because this is imported, I won't have warranty because I won't be trying to ship this back and forth. There's a really cool pokey tool for your SIM ejection. Not those little cheap ones that you usually get from Samsung. Now this is nice to see that you got a semi-full case. This is just the back cover and hinge protection. I did see some others that were showing global versions without the hinge protection, which that would be a little disappointing, but I love that this has that. And the moment everyone's waiting for, I'm not going to rip that. We're just going to try and keep the paperwork if possible. There we go. Look at that beautiful giant 8.03 inch display. There's the back. Big camera hump. And there is my Honor Magic V3, so you can get a reference of the camera humps. And you can even see the difference in the thickness there. You got power, volume rocker, and this very cool toggle for ring silent. Not quite as extensive as the One Plus, where it has 3 positions. Giant, I believe it's 6.54 inches. Let's power it on. There's a small buzz. So while we're waiting, got your microphone, another microphone, your bottom speaker with USB Type C. This is 3.2 Gen 2 from what I've read. Your SIM tray, as we talked about, your buttons and toggle there. Another smaller speaker on the top, one microphone, and an IR blaster to control your TV, air conditioner, and other things. I want to thank you for watching this far. Please do hit subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video, And be sure to check in again for the continuation of this exploration of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro.